Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Voices, the place where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Jamie.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex. How's it going, Jamie?
I'm doing great, Alex. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm really good today. In a great mood, actually.
That's awesome to hear. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like.
Yes, and share it with your friends. Everyone can learn together.
And please leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
We really do. All right, Jamie, what's today's topic?
Today's topic is fun. We're talking about the things we do for fun and relaxation.
Oh, that sounds great. I love talking about fun things.
Me too. Fun is such an important part of life, right?
Absolutely. Everyone needs a little fun every day.
So, Alex, what do you like to do for fun?
I like a lot of things, but one of my favorites is listening to music. It always lifts my mood.
Oh, same here. What kind of music do you usually listen to?
Mostly rock and pop. What about you, Jamie?
I love pop too, but I'm also into jazz. It's so calming.
Nice. Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't, but I listen to music every single day. How about you?
I actually play the guitar. Not super well, but it's fun.
That's awesome, Alex. Playing guitar sounds amazing.
Yeah, even though I'm not perfect, it's really enjoyable.
That's what matters. Having fun, not being perfect.
Exactly. So, what else do you do for fun, Jamie?
I love reading. It's so relaxing after a long day.
Oh, me too. What kinds of books do you read?
Mostly adventure and mystery books. They're full of excitement.
That sounds great. I like reading romance novels and cookbooks.
Cookbooks? So you enjoy cooking, huh?
Yes, cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. I try new recipes almost every week.
That's so cool. Do you cook for your family?
Yes, for my partner and kids. They love trying my new dishes.
That's lovely. I like cooking too, but I'm not very good at it.
You can always learn. Cooking gets easier with practice.
You're right. Maybe I should try more often.
You should. It's fun and delicious.
So, Alex, what else do you like doing for fun?
I really enjoy watching movies. I usually have a movie night every weekend.
Same here. What kind of movies do you like?
I love comedies. They make me laugh so much.
I agree. Laughing is the best medicine.
And sometimes I like action movies too.
Action movies are awesome. Do you watch movies at home or go to the cinema?
Mostly at home. It's more comfortable.
Yes, and you can eat popcorn in your pajamas.
Exactly. Do you like popcorn, Jamie?
Of course. I like salty popcorn.
Sweet popcorn for me, but both are great.
Do you enjoy sports, Alex?
Yes, I like walking and swimming. Walking in the morning really helps me feel good.
That's awesome. I like soccer. It's my favorite sport.
Nice. Do you play often?
Yes, with my friends every Saturday. It's always a great time.
That's great. Exercise is fun and healthy.
Exactly. Good for the body and the mind.
So we've talked about music, reading, cooking, movies, sports, so many ways to have fun.
Yes. Do you also like going out with friends?
Oh, absolutely. I love hanging out at cafes or restaurants.
Me too. Talking and laughing with friends is the best.
It really is. Do you like parties?
Sometimes, small ones, big parties can be too loud.
I agree. Small parties feel more personal.
Yes, and you can actually talk to people.
Jamie, what about traveling? Do you like it?
Oh, I love traveling. The beach is my favorite place. It's relaxing and beautiful.
Same here. I love swimming and walking on the sand.
And watching the sunset. So peaceful.
Totally. I also like going to the mountains. Hiking is fun, and the air is so fresh.
That sounds amazing. I should try hiking someday.
You definitely should. It's great exercise and a perfect way to enjoy nature.
Do you have any creative hobbies at home?
Yes, I like painting. It's really relaxing.
Wow, that's awesome. What do you paint?
Mostly flowers, landscapes, and sometimes animals.
That sounds beautiful. I'd love to see your artwork someday.
Thank you. What about you, Jamie? Any creative hobbies?
I like taking photos. Photography helps me notice the little things around me.
That's lovely. Nature photography is such a great hobby.
It really is, and it makes every walk more interesting.
So let's think about our listeners. What can they do for fun?
Good question. You can start with something simple, like listening to music or going for a walk.
Exactly. Walking is free and great for your health.
And you can do it with family or friends to make it even more enjoyable.
Reading is another great idea. Visit a library. It's free.
Yes, or try cooking something new at home. It's cheaper and healthier than eating out.
And don't forget movie nights. Watch a fun film with some popcorn.
Yes, even small things can bring happiness.
Some people say they don't have time for fun. What do you think, Jamie?
That's really sad. Everyone needs time to relax. Even 15 minutes a day helps.
Exactly. Listen to a song, read a few pages, or take a short walk.
Small moments of fun make a big difference.
Yes, fun helps us stay happy, healthy, and stress-free.
Life truly feels better when we make time for fun.
So, listeners, what do you do for fun?
Tell us in the comments. Do you like sports, music, cooking, or something else?
We'd love to read your answers, and maybe try your ideas too.
Exactly. Sharing ideas helps everyone discover new hobbies.
So true. And remember, don't be afraid to try something new.
Yes, you might discover a new passion.
And if you don't like it, that's fine. Just try something different next time.
There's always something fun out there waiting for you.
All right, Jamie, I think we covered a lot today.
We sure did. Music, reading, cooking, movies, sports, travel, and more.
So many ways to have fun and enjoy life.
Yes, and remember, fun looks different for everyone.
Exactly. Find what you love and make time for it.
That's the best advice.
Totally. Before we finish, let's remind our listeners.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Voices, give us a like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, what do you do for fun?
We love reading your messages.
We really do.
Thanks for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, and remember to have fun every day.
Yes, life is better when you make time for joy.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.